Good morning, my dear younger generation. We are coming back to personality development discussions. Today, I am taking up issue, a matter called motivation and drive inside the body. See, human being, we all, for that reason, have a drive, some type of drives inside the body, and we have motivation also. Both are very much relevant for our success. Unless we have motivation inside the body, we may not be in a position to reach our goal. The same way, there is a, for example, we are having hunger. It is a drive. Unless otherwise that is satisfied, the body will not get activated, will not be ready. This is a natural one, drive is a natural one. The same thing, for example, sleeping. It is a drive that is required, and some people may have overeating as a drive, but that should also be satisfied for the creation of motivation inside the body. So we should understand our motivational factors and drives and try to manage the drives properly so that the motivation inside the body is more than the drives. In the matter of theory of success, those who are having good habits, having enough motivation in their habit itself, would be more successful. Who are having habits like oversleeping, overeating, who are slaves of hungry, who will not be in a position to tolerate hunger, will be losing the possibility of success. That is a common theory that we are seeing. At the same time, we should be capable of controlling or modifying the drives like hunger, sleeping, and other things by developing a habit, by developing a system inside our body so that our motivation factors are too much. How to get motivation? What is motivation exactly? Motivation is that when you are having a goal, clear goal, your motivation will be more. When you know where to reach, your motivation will be more. For example, you want to go to Mumbai. You go to the railway station, tell the conductor or tell the ticket fellow, please give ticket for Mumbai. Your travel is clarity. You have clarity in traveling where to reach. Then all your activities will be proper so that your body is properly motivated towards the entire goal. The same way, in your life also, if you are in your career also, in your profession also, if your goal is very clear, then your motivation factor will be more. For that reason, you should have a proper people around you. For example, if you have 4 people who want to go to Mumbai. So one will be supplementing the other, then all the 4 will be in a position to go to Mumbai very easily. So like that, the team is being developed who are having the right goals and the similar goals, parallel goals, common goals. Then you become a team member and the motivation factor will be more. And you are emotionally attached to each other. You do not want to fail in front of others. That is human tendency, that I do not want to fail in front of others. We do not want to fail in front of others also. sisters also, friends also, parents also, and other lovers also, and so many things. We do not want to fail. We do not want to accept failure very easily. That habit is motivation. It is inside the body, it is a mental ability that is being created by the energy inside the body that makes the motivation factors. Motivation, when you talk about motivation, I'm taking a little bit more time this time because it's a very important point, and I am going to conclude for 6 minutes or 5 minutes, something like that, so that daily you get something, a reasonable feedback from me. Motivation is a matter of habit. You should daily have a motivational program by doing prayer, by doing exercise, by thinking about your plan, everything, so that the day goes towards your goal properly. You should have friends who will be in a position to talk to you about your goal. You should have juniors who talks to you about your program, other things. Then only your motivational factor will be proper. And try to reduce the drive factors as far as possible and make a habit towards more positive towards motivation. Think about these points. Are you having the right motivational factors inside your body? If not, how to develop it? You can ask your teachers, your seniors, and what is lacking. That is a very good exercise that you can do for your benefit. Okay? Very good. Have a good day. We'll again see you tomorrow.